Hi everyone, it's Angela from Happy Dotting Company. You may know that we've been selling these kits with these little tri drops in them for a while, and people can use these to make little blank pendants from their leftover casting mix. So it's just sort of like a little thing that you can do with any remnants of the casting mix that you have left over from making art stones. So I recently had a question about, when you've made these, because there is no sort of specific template or anything for them, how do you find the centre? So I thought I'd show you today how I find the centre. I made this the other day, and I'm just going to basically show you how I did it. So I am going to use one of our little Superflex stencils, and so I've got this gold leaf hanging around my art table that I've just finished a little project on. Anyway, we have these little Superflex stencils, and we are actually selling these separate now, just the little ones. You'll see the link in the description below with a YouTube discount coupon. So I do actually put this down first, and then you get your little blank pendant that you've made, and I actually just very carefully line it up. If you can see that it lines up quite nicely with the ends of these T's here. So I just sort of make sure that I've got the ring up on at 12 o'clock there, and I'm just very carefully making sure that it's really center, and it's sort of nearly meeting each one of these little T's there, so it's really quite easy to center. So once you've done that, I just basically eyeball it and start running a pencil line from 12, and then from 6, and then from 3, and then from 9, and then we've got a basic cross, and then I actually do these other ones as well. Now, if you don't think you've hit the center after sort of doing this, you can obviously do it again, but I normally don't have any trouble. And you can even do those again really by sort of, going in between there, but I think that's generally enough. So I might sneak that over there just a smidge more, half a mil more. And that's basically in the center there. I'm pretty happy with that. And then I'll show you how I made this little pattern.
Gazing at the blue of the night, stars are filling up the sky. You take my hand in yours, we'll make our own constellations. I could say how much you mean to me, but it won't mean a thing, 'cause words never sound quite right. Let's find our own kind of language. We've searched the whole world and all around it. Didn't know what we were looking for till we found it. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. They could dig up all the baby treasures where it's worth our different beat. All eyes are on us now. Oh, but we don't care, do we? Oh, I can't imagine a world where anyone loves anyone like I love you. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. They could dig a bowl of baby treasures where it's worth more than anything, but no one's ever seen a love like this. Nobody ever seen it. Nobody ever seen the love. Nobody ever seen a love like this. A love like this. We have searched the whole world and all around it. Didn't know what we were looking for till we found it. They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. They could dig a bowl of baby treasures where it's worth more than anything, but no one's ever seen a love like this. Ooh. When you first told me your name, I didn't hear a word you said, but it was written all over my face. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. When you made it down the aisle, every moment stole my breath. Bet you could see it in my smile. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. I don't know where this road leads. All I know is I wanna go with you in a life where there's no sure things. I am sure I wanna live it with you. If you look into my eyes, when our time down here is spent, it's in every single line. Hope you know it was you that I loved until the do the seasons change? In your mind coming in with the rain, tell me, does it feel like home? Let it in, let it go on now. Pull it close to give it up somehow. Tell me, do you stay the same? If you could just see me now, would you believe it now? Clouds breaking, the sky spilling over. I'm coming clean in the water. You were just holding out for everything you got now. Come close, you can lean on my shoulder. We're coming clean in the water. Tell me, does it like it alone? When you're left with the world all alone, tell me, does the time slow down? Let it in, let it go on now. Feel it change to what it's all about. Tell me, does it all slow down? If you could just see